Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adeshola. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and do not forget to like this video if you do enjoy it. So today I'm just going to be putting you through on how you can outline your pictures using your phone. It could be an iPhone or an Android phone, whichever phone you have would just do the job. You only need two apps to get this done, which are the apps are the PICART and the Bazaart. You need to have these two apps downloaded on your phone. So the very first app you would be needing is a PICART, and after downloading it, you just want to go right in to click on the PICART, allow it to load, and you start your project. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is click on this plot button right here, and you go to all photos. I have the particular photo I want to use in my favorite. So I'm just going to go favorite and click on the picture. Okay, I'll just use this. Oh, ads. So yeah, I'm just going to click on cut out right here and click on person. Then it loads. Okay, so as you can see, I have my face and my body highlighted in red in this picture, but some part of my hand and my fingers are not highlighted, and if I click on preview, this is what it's going to look like, which obviously does not make sense. So yeah, you just want to go ahead to restore the picture. Click on restore right there and preview it back, and just touch up where you want to be highlighted as well. So you want to be very careful when you're doing this, because any mistake you make can really mess up your video, your picture rather. Why do I keep saying video? Your picture. So you want to erase any parts that you don't want. Like this place looks really weird, so I'm just going to erase and restore until I get my desired result. I'm just erasing it and restoring it to make it look realistic. Then you can always click on preview to see what it looks like. I think this makes sense a bit. You can just zoom in and zoom out to see if you really need to touch up any other places in the picture. Then I want to erase this part a bit, just a little bit. Erase, and my picture is going to look like this. Restore. I'm not sure I need to restore anyway, so I'm just erasing and restore. So you make sure you click, you zoom, you do whatever it is you need to get done to see that you actually have what you want and not some weird stuff, right? Great. Okay, so I'm still restoring this, and I think this is really good. Oh no, let me restore my hair back. Yeah, good. I think this is better now. See? Anyway, so just play around, and you can undo here, redo whatever mistake, redo and undo if you make any mistake. So preview, this is what it looks like, and it doesn't look bad if you ask me. You can increase the size and decrease as well, so but 50 is just perfect, right? Good. Okay, so you just go ahead to save it and you're done. Next, PICART always comes with this adverts and so next, and then you save, download photo. Oh no, and done. Yeah, good. So the next app you would, like I said, is your Bazaart, and you just want to open it right there and click on the plus button to start your project. Then you also click on the picture you exported from your PICART earlier, which we have right there. Okay, great. Yeah, but in Bazaart you want to make sure you zoom in, because it gives some sort of watermark at the end, which at the bottom of your video, which at the bottom of your picture, which you don't want. So you want to zoom in like this, and you can change your picture. You can rotate whichever way you want. You can rotate, you can move, you can do anything with it, reduce, increase, like whichever way is fine. Yeah, so to outline, you want to go to outline here, and you want to click on outline, and you just want to move this cursor right here. If you want to increase and if you want to decrease, yeah, like this, great. But I think this is fine by me. No, this is even still too much. Just like this is fine. You can as well change the color by clicking on the color right here. You can change to yellow, blue, red, pink, purple, you know, whichever color suits you, green, brown, and you can change the color using this cursor as well. You can change the saturation. I'm not sure you can see that. You can change the brightness. Okay, yeah, can you see that? Okay, let me increase the size as well so you see what I'm talking about. Okay, so it looks like this. To change the color, we have this, like this, like this, like this, like this. So whichever color suits you would be fine. Yeah, so maybe I should just stick to brown. No, I'll just stick to white or yellow to make it pop. Okay, good. Yellow is fine and I have it. You can also add shadow to the outline and you can increase the size of your shadow. Can you see that? You can also change the color of your shadow. It could be pink, it could be blue, it could be orange, green, whichever color you can change. But to use the shadow, you need to blur it out so that it looks seamless. So just move your cursor. It kind of blends in with the background. Can you see that? Yeah, so just move your cursor. You can change the opacity as well. Can you see? If you want to reduce or you want to increase it, whichever one works for you is fine. You can as well change the angle up, side, down, whichever, and you know you'll be good. Click on done to see the changes you've made. You can then go ahead to click on the arrow on your top right corner to export your video and you'll be good. Yeah, right, saving, and that's all. So guys, this is how to just outline your picture using PICART and Bazaart. I hope you do enjoy watching this. If you do, please give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.